Experience driving perfection in the 2011 Nissan Altima. This four-door sedan will allow you to take command of the road with confidence. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include cruise control, delay-off headlights, a tachometer, speed-sensitive wipers, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop in and take a test drive.